obviously, but.
So you just lift up, pop the seat out.
Lift up, rock it off the.
Yeah, hooks into there. You just pop it up, lift up and back. And we're doing a fuel pump in what year, make, and model? Passat?
18 Passat.
18 Passat.
Throwing it out there.
Screwdriver, pop the ring.
Separate it. Then you got the pickup tube here. The bottom piece has stayed in there. We gotta get that out.
What's the bottom piece?
The strainer.
Oh. So what was the failing point on this?
The pump itself.
Pump.
Yeah.
Just ran out of fuel? Or just wouldn't pump it?
No, it wasn't pumping enough volume.
Oh, okay. What are you connecting there? Just a straw?
The pickup tube, yeah.
Can't put that on before you put it in?
No,
It won't fit.
yeah, that's impossible.
Tools needed for a job, screwdriver, hammer.
Get the straw on. We gotta clock it back into. Pump correctly.
Oh, because it's got to line back up with the thing underneath it.
Yep. Okay, let me get a fresh seal real quick.
You said new O-ring?
Fresh O-ring, yeah.
How often do these go bad?
Not that often. I'm sure if you run them low all the time, probably
Definitely helps.
fills them a lot quicker.
I'm a big fan. I get the quarter tank and I just fill it back up.
Okay.
Is there a tool to usually do that, or
Yeah,
just...
there's a tool, but there ain't no way I'm using this tool.
Yeah.
New module. I always replace these as a pair because once the pump starts going bad, it's putting a lot of resistance on this module.
Oh, I guess that makes sense.
So you're putting a lot of heat through
Yeah.
this thing.
So new module. New pump every time. Do you prime it a couple times, or?
Yep.